Welcome to the Ultimate Laundry Showdown. Today, we're comparing two innovative laundry solutions, the WonderWash Portable Mini Washing Machine and the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're living in a tiny apartment or just need a compact solution, we've got you covered. The WonderWash operates manually, allowing you to wash clothes without electricity, making it an eco-friendly option. In contrast, the Euhomy dryer is electric, providing convenience and efficiency but requiring a power source. This difference can significantly impact your choice depending on your living situation and preferences. When it comes to capacity, the Euhomy dryer can handle up to 26.4 pounds of wet clothes, making it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the WonderWash has a capacity of just 5 pounds, which is perfect for smaller, delicate items. This distinction is crucial for users who have varying laundry needs. Price is another significant factor. The WonderWash is priced at $69, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the Euhomy dryer comes in at $339, which reflects its advanced features and larger capacity. Depending on your financial situation, this could be a deciding factor in your purchase. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the Euhomy dryer offer unique benefits depending on your laundry needs. If you prioritize portability and eco-friendliness, the WonderWash is an excellent choice. However, if you need a more powerful and efficient solution, the Euhomy dryer is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.